listen to NPR. Create your own road show. The nexus of space and time where you are now. To reclaim your mind just simply means we have to stop consuming our culture. To reclaim your mind. Reclaim your mind. Where you are now. Just simply means we have to stop consuming our culture. What's really important is, I call it the felt presence of direct experience. What's really important is, I call it the felt presence of direct experience. What's really important is, I call it the felt presence of direct experience.
Microphone checking, microphone checking, microphone checking. Mic has been checked. Let me get my headphones on. No, good morning to the 7 people that are watching the stream. We here, man. We here. Let me find something to listen to. Holler at me if the audio levels are trash. Stephanie, Mobile Housing Masters, Texas. Top of the morning. All right. Oh, what happened there? I just want to take a look at open interest here really quick, because I think it looks pretty rad. open interest looks pretty good here. I'm long. I mean, just wondering if we can get like any more retesting done into this demand here prior to, let's just put a ray on it, prior to cracking this high up here. Kind of what I'm curious about. How's everybody doing this morning, man? Bitcoin isn't going to give me a whole lot to talk about today. So we kind of talked this shit to death. We could go look at like what would happen if this doesn't work. And of course we can go, you know, perusing the altcoin market and taking a look and seeing what we can see out there. It's Friday, so, you know, why couldn't this happen on a Tuesday? A Monday, a Wednesday, fucking anything but Friday. Oh well. Is what it is. I'm gonna pick that shit. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, I still think you need to be aware of this 10-minute candle right here. I think there's still a potential for a short out of this area. And if memory serves me correctly, we have like a tiny bit of demand below us, but not a lot. Because if you take this whole chunk, is my magnet on? Yep. We already nipped that there, so it's more like, was there unmitigated demand down inside of here? It wouldn't be good to. It just wouldn't be good to go down there. Personal opinion. Get a couple levels on here, but whatever. That's good enough for me. Boy, we just ripped through that 10-minute candle, didn't we? Sure enough did. Huh? Okay. Well, this is kind of exciting. What is life? Oh wait, no. Yeah, no. God damn it, get back over here. You got work to do here still. Yeah, this. We had stretched this to here. It was this 15-minute candle back here that I was thinking about. 15. Yeah, that little bugger up to that high. That's what I wanted to talk about. I mean, you know how I feel about vertical approaches to levels responding in the opposite manner. Typically doesn't work when you approach it vertically. So we got some clearance above this high. Well, I mean, we have officially put price action in there. We haven't closed there. Let's go ahead and get that out of there. Goodbye. Right button, please. Alright, let's start looking at some higher time frame structures. Okay, so this is about a 1 hour. This would incur about a 1 hour break of structure here. I think this should be our 4 right here. Yeah, so yeah, that'll return your 4 hour market structure to bullish. I'll take an alert there. Because it's also like a major, that would also be a pretty major target for this trade, right? That would still be a, yeah, yep, no way around it. That would be a pretty major target for that. Let's see, furthermore, I'm going to say we should start paying attention to this zone. Using too many different charts. It's fine. Is this Bybit perpetual? Okay, cool. Or, I mean, Binance? Yeah, cool. All right. Yeah, it would seem a pretty logical area to retest and shoot for stuff a lot higher. Here's one for you. I just want to grab a whole new blank chart. So I'm gonna do it. Just pick on the. This thing. And we'll put this up here, and we'll say that's where we're going to break 4 hour market structure, right? Pending a 4 hour MS break. Okay, so let's talk about this. If you break this with 4 hour candle body close, well, then you are breaking the primary down structure that brought you to the range low. Which would be a strong indication that price would return to the range high. How I'd look at that. 100% how I'd look at that. Good morning, Luke. Top of the morning. Hope everybody's doing well out there. And Aaron and Colin Crypto. Good morning. Yeah, so this please. This please. What do you guys want to look at, man? What y'all want to look at? I'm gonna do some trade management while y'all think about that. Yeah, let's draw up on this chart too. Actually, I don't want it to come back down that low. No, I don't. But we're gonna mark it as demand nonetheless. I think this guy can go away because that already got tagged. Well, that was fast. Let's get that off. It's just a duplicate position, and fucking takes a profit, I guess. I'll just front run it a little bit. Hate this exchange sometimes. All right. Well, yep. I'm just gonna front run this general area, take some profits here. Um, yeah, I think generally speaking, it'd be cool to see um, it'd be cool to see supply kind of work and come back down to find demand still in control. That'd be hella convenient. Um, that'd be hella convenient because I would absolutely be looking to add. Um, yeah, that'd be convenient. That'd be convenient. We have alerts here. Um, my microphone is working, right? Microphone check. Boom, 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 boom. That's the power of external market structure points, man. All right. For real though, what you guys want to what do you guys want to look at, man? We should go pick out like the verticality of this on a Friday for me is a significant sign of strength coming off of a macro range low. What I'm trying to tell you is this low may be on the Bitcoin chart for like a long time. I mean, like, yeah, like I think this presents in a manner where this low could be sitting here intact. It could be a month from now. So that's to mean that we should be looking for swing trades, y'all. We should be looking for swing trades. That's what that means to me. INJ. Well, looks great. How are we gonna find an entry though? I think these were like the last ideas that we put on the INJ chart. What was this? Oh, it must have come out of lower. And so, price comes back down to purge that low, get all those early longs, and convert their liquidity into the new positions. They just stole, fucking flat ass stole their money is what they did. But yeah, I would say that all looks pretty good. So let's get in a little bit more locally and see if we can pick a couple areas out on INJ. I think let's delete some of this stuff down here. Let's back this off as absolutely no use in life anymore. I'm not interested in that. That's irrelevant. Just turn that into a ray, why don't we? And yeah, generally speaking, I mean, between that zone's going to be looking pretty good. I'll drop down here and pick on it a little bit. Man, this is going to be pretty easy to run, guys. This is all going to be really easy to run. So, I think we need to be prepared for initiation above this high and retest into this range. So, I would say probably, gosh, I mean, there's like kind of like this idea here. Is that a valid target up there? That was a line to indicate the short trade. What are we going to target off that? Fuck, I mean, might as well kind of shoot for the moon. Okay, so that's one way to look at it. I think this is Yeah, I think that's the most responsible way to look at it, actually. So that's going to be the chart I'm going to post. I see the potential of an initiation here, and then like just a different development of price action and candles that would present different opportunities. But this is the best opportunity I see on the IMJ chart right now. So this is what I'm going to post. Where the live TA at, bro? Cool. Well, we got INJ. Yeah, yeah, sure was. That was an awesome SFP. Yeah, 100%, bro. Absolutely, it was. It was exceptional. All right, so we got a black candle out of there. Is that all we're gonna get? What did Arrow do? Because it was that range low yesterday. Kind of odd looking, actually. Oh, son of a bitch, Blur. Are you gonna? I think it's. I think it's still wait for the short on Blur. What the fuck is ENS? All right. Well, I guess we'll just start pounding through some of these other things. We'll start off with ADA. Really, dude? Screw you anyway, Ada. I mean, we definitely stomped all over this chart, man. That's some good damn TA, man. That's some good damn TA. Let's get rid of it. Let's get rid of it all. Ada pulled all that whole line of liquidity. Just put a ray on it. And get on the damn wick, homie. You know, obviously the Cowboys still entered under that line. They literally entered right here. Them damn Cowboys. So we'll start highlighting. We'll start highlighting this area up. I just like at this rate, I just want to see the inefficiency filled. You know, and I fully understand that price may not come back for this area, but currently it's the best thing I have to plan a trade around. So again, you know, other market structure may develop that provides other opportunities, but that is the best opportunity I see currently. Show enough. You know what I mean? Like think of it the same way as this, right? You see this big initiation past the low, forming this inefficiency and slamming price all the way down to here. And it's like, oh man, we're so far away from that, it probably won't get retested. Well, you know, I mean, we'll see what happens. So yeah, that would still be the best look on ADA, in my opinion. Which is also why I think this is what I wanted to talk about today. Is how much RIMC wrecks traders, right? They see price flying down below the low, and they're like, "Oh man, we got to get short on this sumbitch." You know, and then they're entering short in here, and they're feeling like a genius, only to go underwater and get their SL at break-even hit or whatever, and get wiped from the market. Yeah, RIMC will fuck a lot of people up. And you look at that inefficiency coming up out of here, and I mean, the proof is on the chart already. People are buying up here. They're buying up here. Right? Where, you buy low, you sell high. People are buying up here. This happens every time. That's also why RIMC works, right? Because they sell here. They don't sell here. They sell here. And then they pull those sells into their orders, triggering their SLs to fill the liquidity on their orders and pull it down to a new low. Just the way that, like, you could see price come here and people are buying here, and then they pull their orders out. They take their orders below their entry in an effort to run all their stop losses, to trigger sell orders on those stop losses, so that there is sell liquidity to fill the buy liquidity that the market maker is trying to put in. Right? That's why RIMC works. Yeah, so that's a good area on that. Top of the morning, Tommy Lee. I'll go, buddy. What we got? Demand doing demand stuff. That's what we got. So just like on every other chart, we're going to be aware of this entire zone on algo, but we'll look towards the juicier stuff given the opportunity to do so. This blue box at the bottom needs to go fuck off. That was associated with this. That's dead. Get a little pullback out of this area, maybe? That's dead. Yep, they target the high. Oh, I didn't post the ADA chart. Let's go back and grab that one. Bro, Alex, how good is your Friday morning? I know I was on your stream this morning, and I saw that you caught the actual effing low, and I hadn't even had coffee yet, and I was like mistyping everything. But I'm glad that you pegged the absolute low. I'm in. You know I'm in, bro. I didn't snipe the absolute low like you, because, the early bird catches the worm. I think I had typed something like, the early worm catches the bird, and then I tried to correct it to the early bird catches the worm. It was bad. It's coffee. I need coffee. So we're just cruising through some altcoin charts at this point, and, trying to find some interesting areas to plan some swing trades from. Yeah, verticality of that candle, and I'm like, bro, we're already over halfway through this supply. Are you shitting me right now? Are you shitting me? It's so funny too, because as I was going to bed last night, I'm looking at this chart, and I was legit worried, right? Because I was like, dude, if they try to pull this up into this supply, and then Jay Powell speaks, and we just fucking battering ram the low, I was really beginning to get worried that that was going to happen. I was very glad to wake up and just see this. Yeah, I was super glad to wake up to see that. I got my entry. I got my entry right there. That's where I got mines. All right, let's get back to some of these altcoins. Hey, ING coming back already. That's a good look. You know, easy liquidity to run, right? Yes, in the SFP the high, yes, but again, you have to come down here now to break structure bearishly internally in this range. I feel as though that would be an unrealistic expectation. Yes, I do. It's all about the verticality of the candle. So I see that does not concern me in this circumstance. Yeah, absolutely. Let's go. Which one was first? Was ETH first? Yeah, ETH was first. Let's go take a look at ETH. And let me know if the audio levels are a little rough. Okay, so this is where we left off on ETH yesterday. Obviously just the wrong color. I'm sure y'all will forgive me. Yeah. Yep, I would just yeah, so okay, so we need to talk about, yeah, I'm glad I remembered this. So we need to talk about something else here. So when you see price really run away from an area, right? Like it's great if you're long, cool. But when you see it like really running away from an area, if it comes back down quick, I'm a little less worried about it at that point. But if it like, I don't know, it just can't form bearish structure to come back down here. I really prefer that not to happen. Really, all I'm trying to say, this is what I'm actually trying to say, is that you may very well see price set a high. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. And let's just use this as an example. I don't think it's going to go this way. I'm literally making an example, so bear with me. You may see price set a high, and you may see price set a low, and then start to range. You know, come back for the high, maybe come down a little bit, maybe come up for the high again, maybe come down a little bit more, and then come for the low. And then you're just trading another range at that point, from here back to here. So in the event that we do not come down for mitigations to the areas of demand in which the Cowboys stepped up this morning, in the event that we don't come back down for stuff like that, you need to look for stuff like this. You need to look for stuff like that. That's what I would recommend. Yeah, that's what I would recommend. So, you know, as it stands, and that's kind of what I'm talking about earlier on stream when I was saying that it's really easy to pick the unmitigated demand ranges below us that we broke up out of, where obviously the big monster liquidity stepped in this morning on a Friday, which is odd. But this is the type of price action that I'm talking about, where that could develop, that would provide, you know, different opportunities, right? This is what I'm referring to. Yeah, so on ETH, go to 4 hour. Yeah, I mean, that's currently the zone on ETH unless we can get a range to form. Which, with the verticality of these candles, those ranges might be the more logical thing to expect. What else did we have? We had ETH and we had Link. Did link make it to my short target? That's what I want to know. Well, let's just go look. Fuck no. Absolutely did not. We had a cool short out of here yesterday. It was literally this. What did you hit, bro? What did you hit? Not a goddamn thing. You didn't hit a goddamn thing. The market just said link up. Just said link the fuck up, homie. No, we already have the yeah, so this already has the makings of a range. INJ probably did too. Let's go back and take a look at that one. All right, so for link, where are we ultimately targeting on link? Be up towards something like this. We already had 3 taps at the high, so I don't believe a 4th one. Nonetheless, it is important to break that high. And so if we can retrace back to, I'm looking for like more of an SFP style thing here. So let's maybe move that down there. Let's plot a course. Let me drop back down to 15. Yeah, we're gonna plot a course that looks like this, and one that looks maybe a little bit more like this. Let's give it a little bit of room in there. Oh, can't see the other position. Sorry, I had to crank the music up just a little bit. I wanted to go back and take a little bit of a closer peek at the INJ chart. Yeah, yeah. I suspect you should watch that low on INJ as well. Oh, sneak this little one into Discord as well. Okay, Stumley has a question. Let's turn the music down a little bit. I'm probably enjoying it way more than you guys are. Let me check my audio levels here. All right. Okay, so what's Tom Lee's questions here? Come on, bro. Come on. Okay. Is there the probability that this is a long trap liquidity grab short squeeze that just dies out? There is always the possibility of that. There is always the possibility of that. But this takes an insane amount of long orders. This is millions and millions of long orders, right? I wonder if we can actually define this. Send me out. Come on, internet. Row size 1, homie. Let's go. That's a lot more than 1 row. Buckle up, internet. There we go. Calculator. Okay, so you got a value of 111. Let's just call it 111,000 times 25.81 is, that's 2.8 million on Bybit alone. That's 2.8 million in perpetual longs on Bybit alone. That is very hard to overcome. All of which occurring at the range low. So no, I like the possibility is there, but I think it is definitely not one to hold your breath for. Sol, let's do Sol. That's an odd move for you, bruv. That was an odd move for you, bruv. Let's clean some shit up. Should we actually hit that? Because we didn't hit that before, did we? No, we missed it. Okay, let's get it cleaned up. Let's give this chart a shower. Yeah, see, the more I'm looking at just the absolute verticality of these things, I mean, first of all, these demand ranges are huge. The face of them is a fair value gap. The exciting demand where the Cowboys stepped up is down here still. More I'm looking at these, I'm going like, dude, I don't know if we retest these. Like today. Yeah, I think I would prefer to look at Sol. Well, we're just gonna do it the same way as we're doing everything else. We're not changing it. Goddamn thing. Though, I mean, running that, it's like might as well backtest the prior high. But let's just get some damn TA on here, man. Let's make these more obvious. Bro. Bro. Well, let me put a ray down here for everybody else. Where did my chat go? Steve Hickey. What is Steve Hickey? Uh-oh. Dude, see, if I had a swear jar, I'd got fucking broke. Okay, I was short on Link until half an hour ago. Oh, it was 50% probably, yeah. Oh, bummer, Danielle, bummer. Bummer. Bro, where's my people asking for XRP, man? Where y'all at? No, come on. Make it go away. Make it all go away. Yeah, you too, bro. Nice run on that low. XRP, same as everything else. See the difference on this chart, right? You see the gap between those two on this? That's not as big as the other ones. That is something. Well, that's just something that's important to me. So yeah, I still say yeah, your long might be there. So let's plan a couple. Let's plan a couple extra P trades. I'd still anticipate a break at the high, but and yeah, a little action back down and little love back down in there. Let's. I feel as though the order of operations is backwards. God, was that already on the chart? Yeah, it was. Yeah, we fucking talked about that, didn't we? All right, so I suppose we just fucking shoot for Valhalla then. Yeah, that's the one. Bum, bum, bum. Oh, there's Jesus Chavez. Oh, sell now or wait? Why not do both, bro? Why not do both? Don't torture yourself. Don't fucking torture yourself, homie. Like, take some profit. And wait. Do them both. I mean, I took profit on my fucking Bitcoin trade. And I would love to see some manner of retracement occur so I could ape shit long the hell out of it. Yeah, but fucking don't torture yourself, man. How thick 77? Don't torture yourself. You have from what you're saying, you have an opportunity right now to like pay yourself and be like, bro, I did a fucking thing today. I did it. I did the damn thing today. Portfolio go up today. And doesn't mean you can't leave some in the position. Doesn't mean you can't add later. I'm proposing range rotations here. Right? Where's that Bitcoin chart at? Where's the Bitcoin chart at? Proposing range rotations. So, doesn't mean now that's not a reason to hold on to it and be greedy. This is the reason to pay yourself, if you ask me. This is the reason to pay yourself because it's going to take, if I'm correct, it's going to take plenty of time to get up to areas like this, right? Like plenty of time. And don't get nicked out by the RIMC, dude. Right? We haven't come down to retest squat yet. It's fucking wild. Yeah, I'm a day one trader. I'll give you a little bit of backstory, right? I was unless you guys want me to this mix is by Funk Ferret, bro. This is a Funk Ferret mixtape. It is the Sunday morning party by the Funk Ferret. Even though it's Friday morning. But it's such a light-hearted, fun mix that a price action like this seemed like the perfect fit. Derailed my thoughts. What was I doing? Oh yeah, I was telling a little bit of a backstory. Yeah, like I started my trading journey. Let's go to the weekly. I started my, because Alex is here, and I told him I was going to embarrass him more, so I 100% plan on doing that. I started my trading journey like right here, right, and I started learning like smart money concepts like somewhere down in here, and this is like Frankie Candle's Discord time somewhere in this area, right? And then I just which was a really noisy server. It was kind of a drag. If you honestly, I thought it was kind of a drag. But there was this guy putting up all these watermarks in the chat all the time, whatever you call those things, and he seemed like just this hell of a nice guy, right? And then I got involved in a Discord server that was really bad, super bad, where like you had to pay for memberships and blah blah blah. And I was one of the people that were sort of coaching in there, and it was super toxic. It was hateful. It was so bad. And then like Alex had opened up a Discord server, and I don't even remember. Oh, I think I was like posting in Frankie Candles or something. He was like, "Dude, you should come hang out over on our Discord server." And I hopped in like day one, fucking ripped the band-aid off, dumped every other server I was in, because I was like, this dude is so redonkulously kind and nice that like if there is anybody I want to succeed, it's gonna be this guy, right? And yeah, I was like that. Yeah, no shot, man. I'd spent so much time combing through Discord servers and YouTube channels and the like, and you get all these chest puffery, kind of sort of flexy people, and that stuff just doesn't jive well with me. And yeah, and then I met Alex, and he was just the absolute fucking opposite of that. He seemed to just purely genuinely care, and I was like, dude, anybody who purely genuinely cares about other people in the way that this manner does is a fucking winner in my book, and it's somebody that I want to push to further success. And yeah, so day one, man, I was like, fucking no shot, I ain't going anywhere else. This is my dude, and this is my crew. I'll save the other embarrassments for later. All right. We got more high caps or something. What are we doing? What are we doing, y'all? What are we doing, y'all? What are we doing? What else are we looking at? Okay, yeah, I haven't been on the NQ chart in a while, so I need to see what's up over here. But it's okay. Chart's okay. Really, dude? Really? Really? Just gonna fucking take the internal low and run? Weak. Oh, I didn't scroll down in the chat. My bad. XRP, yeah, we did, okay, we did XRP. Oh, no. Good, flip back to Soul, please. Yeah. Soul. Which, by the way, if you guys are in, like the Alexo Discord server, which you should be, then you guys have links to all my charts, right? You don't have to like screenshot this shit or write it down and try and remember it. You just pull it up in TradingView, flip the time frames, find whatever you want. I got about 10 minutes, 15 minutes left. If there's anything else that we want to keep on. I We did algo, right? Yeah, we did algo. What does the market know about what Jay Powell is going to say that we don't? I'll tell you one thing. I would like to see an interest rate cut. I'm like actively in the process of purchasing another home. I would personally like to see an interest rate cut. That'd be cool because like my rate's not locked in yet. So, can you throw a Brewberry some love, Mr. Powell? The boy's trying to buy another house, and he don't want that stupid interest rate. He'll take any love he can get on a 30-year note. It's interesting on hype. Or whatever the hell that was. Wait, what's Dominance doing? Wow, that was a lot of money that entered the market. Holy shit. Damn. Because you see, Dominance is like blah, but Bitcoin be like blah. That's a lot of damn. Fucking flood the markets. Jesus. Sui, that's a really good choice. I'm glad you picked that one. Well, that was a bad idea. Really, dude. I guess you did take you took this for me. You missed that, but you know, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. Let's try that again. Okay. How high be the targets? Fine, Sui. Um, Danielle, I would not open a new trade now. Absolutely not. No. No, I mean, like, I bare minimum, I need to see like some, like one of these initial lows run on the uptrend. Like if we look at, I don't think Bitcoin has even developed such a thing. Oh no, it has one. Yeah, it has one. I would entertain an SFP off of something like this. But no, I couldn't. I mean, the stop loss would suck so bad. Would suck so bad. Because you have to, like, in my opinion, to open a new trade, you have to cover all of this on a stop loss. Not fun. So like now, I mean, here's the thing: is that like if you want to treat it like a swing trade, and aim for the all-time high, then this is still in discount, right? I'm pretty sure. Let's, good lord, do I have any blank Bitcoin charts? What's this chart? What's this chart? Let's remove the drawings from here. Let's go to the 4-hour. Let's look at premium versus discount. God, are we at a discount already? Yeah, I would want to be I would want to, like, treating, yeah, if you're treating it as a swing trade and you're aiming for this guy up here, then yeah, I would. The market lost efficiency this morning. Okay, it lost efficiency. This is an inefficient move. Lost efficiency. So, it's very possible to come back for something like that. It is still possible to come back for this, in my opinion. So yeah, I don't know. I'd still recommend being more patient. I would not want to enter here personally. No, you should see this cool off later today. You know what I mean? Like today is. I'll bet a significant amount of money that today doesn't just print candles like this all day long. Right? Like it's not going to just sit here and print candles like this all day long. It's not going to do that. So yeah, I'd definitely be patient. Do you think we might break the local highs on some of these coins without a retest of the prior highs? Let's go pick on like Sol for that answer. So Sol has broken this local high already. Do I think it will break this high before a retest here? I actually don't. Think like on Sol. I don't think so. I think prices in supply has not exceeded 50% of supply and has already began to form a range. So yeah, I don't particularly, now obviously I could be wrong, right? Obviously this thing could just shoot up and break that high too. But yeah, I actually don't suspect that. I think that this liquidity looks moderately easy to run, and that you may very well see this and this. Because you got like Cowboys step in, drive price up significantly into supply. These people here have taken some profit. In my opinion, they have taken some profit. I really need like CVD data to confirm that. Like CVD would have to be going up with open interest going down. But yeah, no, I think we can come back. Yeah, Alex, I think I'm gonna do the same, bro. I'm gonna take some more profit. Boom, 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 right? Because I gotta take some more profit so that I can roll it back in. Yeah, let's take some more. All right. Now. Oh, it was so funny. I think on the, God, all my charts are such a wreck now. Were we on the 30? No, it couldn't have been on the 30. Is it 10? Yeah, we were on the, I think we were on the 10 we were on the 10 this morning. Right after I started the stream. And I was like, oh, watch for a retest off that 10-minute candle right there. Bow! Kabow! Alright, well, hey man, super fun coming on, especially fun this morning. Like, let's be honest, especially fun this morning, because A, the volatility, and B, the low got hit that I've been waiting for. How long have I been waiting for this? Because it feels like it's been a long time. I have been waiting for this for over a week. I've been waiting for this. So super fun to come on and stream today. What a riot. What to expect based on your experience? Retest the previous high 114,600-ish. Never seen such a candle. Not even sure if it's a boss because there's no lower high yet. So lower highs are irrelevant to me. It is 100% a break of structure. Or higher low, I think is what you said. So you're gonna, where was the chart we were using? Was it the Coinbase chart? Yeah, so on the Coinbase chart, as long as this 4-hour candle body hangs up here, that is a break of your primary down structure, which is every indication I need to say all-time high insights. Obviously, I can be wrong. But just the same way as you broke your primary up structure here, after an SFP of the high, we are breaking our primary down structure after an SFP of the low. So back to the question. Retest of previous highs. What should we expect? Yes, I think you should expect a retest of previous highs. And the only way around that is that, price like pulls this low here. But that is a retest of your previous high, right? That is a retest of your previous high. So, yeah, I don't know. I still think it would be to be expected. Oh, yeah. 8 o'clock has arrived. Y'all have a incredible day. Okay? Have an incredible day. Tag me. I think I have a relatively calm day in store. I mean, I know it's going to be like stupid busy at the restaurant today, but what am I looking for? Calendar. Calendar. What is on my calendar today? Nope, that's not today. It is absolutely not July 23rd. What in the bullshit? I have a relatively calm day today, so feel free to tag me in Discord. If you got a question, and I'll do my best to get to it. Yeah, I'm gonna call it, man. I'm gonna call it. Y'all have a good day, man. God, it was worth the wait, ladies and gentlemen. It was worth the wait. Adios. So come on, girl, let's get on down. Gotta do it right the other day all night. You gotta rock to the beat with all your might. You gotta rock to the beat, gotta rock to the beat, gotta rock. What all the bitches saying?